Hello guys, this might not be the nice video as you expected, but for me it's really amazing. It's new to me, but for those who have seen it many times, they may get bored it, but please don't mind because it's new to me, because in my village we don't have many. So let me introduce what it is. So today I have seen this flower, as you can see, the pink one. Yeah, I see this flower, okay, right here. Please don't mind my English, okay, because it's always when broken. So I try to touch it and I suddenly shocked that I see some move. So I remember in my olden days when I was a student. So we have read this, our teacher has taught us. So let me show you how this is look in real life, my boy. For those who haven't seen it, watch closely. Yeah, you see my eyes, my hand. Okay, let me show you this one. See how fast? Yo, this one. Yo, how fast? No, I'm not broken it. I just touched. We have so many here. Let me show you another one. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah. This one, hey. I mean, like, yeah, this one. Huh? See, I didn't broke it. Okay. Yo. What it? I have played it many this morning, but they have closed many of them have closed their leaves. So but just after around 2 or 3 minutes they reopen it, but they don't reopen it as like what they close. They open it slowly. Okay, watch this one too. Okay, my camera was focusing on the background instead of this one that I want to show you, but let me show you the one that the camera was focusing. This one, yeah. See how fast? Oh my god, this one too. Yo. Okay guys, hope you liked it. For those who haven't seen, so they see me now. Yo, they have here 1,000. See, they all close their leaf. If you notice that some of them like. Okay, by the way, thank you for your precious time. If you think I'm just wasting your time, so please sorry. But for those who are excited, so thank you.